Hello and welcome back to the channel. You don't necessarily need a dedicated video camera to create strong business content. The phone you already have can be a very capable production tool when you understand how to use it properly, and that's what we'll be getting into today. For many business videos, a modern smartphone can be entirely sufficient. The bigger limitation is often not the phone, it's how the phone is being used. Poor positioning, unstable recording, weak lighting and distant audio can make capable equipment produce disappointing results. Good basic technique can make the same device far more useful. Start by deciding which camera to use. The front camera is convenient because you can see yourself while recording. That makes it useful for quick pieces to camera. The rear camera may provide better image quality on many devices, so it's worth considering when somebody else can frame the shot or when the phone can be positioned and checked before recording. Whichever camera you use, stabilize the phone. For a planned business presentation, placing it on a tripod, stand or secure support normally looks better than holding it by hand. Handheld recording has its place, particularly for informal content. But unwanted movement can easily make a straightforward business video feel casual when that was not the intention. Camera placement follows the same principle as any other setup. Position the lens around eye level when speaking directly to the viewer. A common smartphone mistake is putting the phone on a desk below the presenter's face. That creates an upward angle and often leaves the presenter looking down toward the audience. Raising the phone can immediately improve the frame without changing any other equipment. Pay attention to focus and exposure. Most phones handle these automatically, but difficult lighting can confuse the camera. If a bright window is behind you, for example, the phone may expose for the window and leave your face too dark. Repositioning yourself is often a better solution than trying to correct everything afterwards. Lighting the face clearly remains more useful than chasing complicated settings. Face a window, use a simple light, or choose a location where the existing light is even and flattering. Audio deserves the same care. Suppose a business owner wants to record a series of short advice videos in an office. The phone is 2 meters away and relying entirely on its built-in microphone. The picture may look sharp, but the voice could sound distant and the room may become very noticeable. Moving a suitable microphone closer to the speaker can make a significant difference. Depending on the phone and setup, that might mean a wired or wireless clip-on microphone, or another external microphone designed for mobile recording. Then decide whether the video should be vertical or horizontal before you record. Vertical video is well suited to many mobile-first social formats. Horizontal video remains useful for websites, presentations, training content, and other situations where widescreen layout is more appropriate. There's no single orientation that suits every business video. Think about where the finished content will be used before choosing. For example, if you're recording a short LinkedIn video primarily intended for mobile viewing, a vertical or square-friendly composition may be useful. If you're recording a detailed product explanation for a website or training platform, a horizontal frame may give you more room for graphics and supporting content. Also, clean the camera lens before recording. It's an extremely simple detail, but fingerprints can soften the image and create unwanted flare around lights. Finally, remove avoidable distractions. Silence notifications, check the background, make sure there's enough storage, and record a short test rather than discovering problems after a complete presentation. A smartphone is not a shortcut around good production decisions. It's simply a compact camera system. Give it stable support, clear lighting, sensible framing, and clean sound, and it can become a very practical tool for professional business video. If you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel for more practical advice on creating professional video with straightforward equipment, and I'll see you guys next time.